Today I'm going to share a very easy and simple recipe, dry chicken keema with bell peppers. It is made with minced chicken, onions, bell peppers and spices. Hello viewers, myself Suparna. Welcome to Simply Food. Before I start today's video, please go and click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. First add 1 tablespoon of mustard oil into a pan. We doesn't need so much oil for this recipe. Temper the oil with half teaspoon of cumin seeds. Just let them splutter. Now add 2 medium-sized chopped onion. Fry them for 3 to 4 minutes or until onion gets translucent. This is one of the basic chicken minced recipe from Indian cuisine which you can serve as a side dish. Now add 1 diced green bell pepper. You can definitely add yellow, red bell peppers, whatever you like. Fry for 2 to 3 minutes on medium flame. Now time to add minced chicken. I have taken 250 gram of minced chicken. This is also boneless chicken keema. Cook for 4 to 5 minutes. One thing, when you fry the onions for any recipe, whatever you are cooking, fry them on low heat. You will get a nice flavor from the onions. Add 1 teaspoon of garlic paste, half teaspoon of ginger paste. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes. To make this chicken keema, ensure you use a good Garam Masala powder. Sometimes the flavor of your dish depends on the spices powder you use. You can see minced chicken turns white. Now add salt to taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of tomato ketchup. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Mix all the masalas with the minced chicken. You can add freshly chopped green chili to add some fresh flavor. Then add half of red chili powder. This chicken keema is easy to make, tastes delicious and can be used in so many other ways. You can add pasta to this recipe, then it will turn to another delicious dish. Then don't add garam masala powder. Now add 50 ml of water. If you want gravy, add more water. Cook for 3 to 4 minutes. You can put on the lid also. Minced meat known as keema or keema is used to make various dishes like curry, paratha, samosa, sandwiches, cutlets or keema balls. After 4 minutes, add 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Give a mix. Dry chicken keema with bell peppers is ready. Serve this chicken keema with roti, paratha or with any flatbread. It's delicious, super easy and tasty too. So please try out this recipe and let me know how it turns out for you. That's it for today's video. Please hit the like button after watching the video. Do subscribe to our channel and share our videos with your family and friends. Leave your comment in the comment section. Stay happy and safe. Thank you. Bye.